You search for how to buy shares of Live Nation Entertainment, Inc. Live Nation runs concerts, venues, and ticketing and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LYV. This video is purely educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LYV to find Live Nation. Select the Live Nation Entertainment Inc. listing that matches the NASDAQ ticker to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it's the correct share. Double-check the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker is LYV. Tap the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once your order is filled, the position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below.